everyone, my name is Ashley and I'm the owner of Fab Weddings. I am the planner here at Vineyard Farmhouse in Queen Creek, Arizona. It's a beautiful, unique outdoor space. We have a gorgeous venue here with vineyards and orchard trees and bistro lights, and it's just a stunning place to get married, have your ceremony or your reception or both. On Thursday, May 1st, we wanted to invite you to our open house. It's going to be from 5:30 to 7:30, so you're going to be able to see the farm in action with the sunset and our lighting, and we're just going to have tons of amazing vendors here, and we would love to see you there.